Hello and welcome to Behind the Boot. Hope you're having a great day wherever you are. We are at the
Lobster, Pound and More,
Inn,
Cape Breton, Nova Scotia.
and we are now trying some,
Local honey on the comb from George's
look at
River.
that, which is very exciting. We're just getting this at the end of our dinner. Can I try some?
Oh yeah.
Here we go. Right off the comb.
You can
Oh,
chew
it's
the
so good.
Yeah. You spit
Wait,
out
do I
wax.
eat the wax?
You can eat it if you want and swallow it. You can just spit out that napkin.
I need it. Best dinner ever, made by this guy over there. You didn't see him in that shop. Anyhow, we're very happy, and here's Splash.
Is that what you're doing? Yeah.
He had some honey too.
Oh, it was so good.
Trios Network. So it's aimed at kids, what,
And
3
that's
to
what the
5?
honey looks like.